Hey everyone, Yusuf from Airstack here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to fetch Farcaster Replies data using the Airstack API very easily in just a few minutes. So in this case, we already have a dedicated Farcaster Replies API right here, so just click on that, and it's going to expose you to all the input fields available and also the output fields right down below there. So uh, this is going to cover like various use cases depending on like what kind of like Farcaster replies you want to fetch. But one of the most common use case that we can demonstrate right here is, for example, fetch Farcaster replies casted by a specific user. So in that case, we can use the input filter replied by right here, and we can specify the identity of the Farcaster user. We can use either the fname or the FID in this case. So in this case, I'm just going to use the FID for simplicity's sake. So for that, I'm gonna need to use the fc underscore FID prefix right here, followed by the FID of the user itself. In this case, I'm going to use 602, but you can use whatever you want. From there, then I can specify which output field that I want. In this case, I have like casted at timestamp, which is like the time when I cast the cast itself, and then the embeds, the URL, the text, which is like the text of the cast itself, the number of recasts, the number of likes. You can also in here add the number of replies as well if you wanna get like the channel where the reply exists, the mentions that exist, the number of replies, and many other info that you can check on the left sidebar right here. Once your query is ready, essentially all you need to do is just click on this red button in here, and in a few moments, it's going to give you all the replies that have been casted by user FID 602. And just as easy as that. And for more use cases, I do recommend that you check out like this page in our docs right here regarding like the various use cases covered for fetching Farcaster replies data. Link's going to be provided in the description. Hope has been helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to provide all the questions in the comments below. Otherwise, see you guys in the next video.